When a person with no money needs surgery to put a shoulder back together, the person will promise all kinds of future earnings in payment. But what if later on, when the person actually has some funds, the person decides to spend them on something else? In Herzog versus Irace, an accident-prone individual and a personal injury law firm explored the nuances of assignment of benefits. Gary Jones was injured in a motorcycle accident. He hired two lawyers, Anthony Irace and Donald Lowry, to represent him in a personal injury action. Shortly thereafter, Jones dislocated his shoulder twice in incidents that had nothing to do with his motorcycle accident. Dr. John Herzog told him he needed surgery. Jones couldn't pay for surgery. Instead, he gave the doctor a signed letter stating that he requested payment be made from the settlement of his personal injury claim directly to Dr. Herzog in consideration for the shoulder surgery. Dr. Herzog notified Jones's lawyers, who agreed that the law firm would pay the surgical bills after receiving a settlement at the close of the case. Dr. Herzog performed the surgery and treated Jones for the next year, during which time he received no pay for his medical services. Jones eventually received $20,000 from the motorcycle personal injury action. He told his lawyers not to pay Dr. Herzog because he would pay those bills himself. The lawyers informed Dr. Herzog that they would not be paying him. They paid Jones's other creditors and gave Jones a check for the remaining $10,000. Jones never paid Dr. Herzog. Dr. Herzog sued the lawyers, seeking to enforce the assignment of benefits. The court found that Jones's letter constituted a valid assignment of the settlement proceeds enforceable against the lawyers. The lawyers appealed to the Maine Supreme Judicial Court.